doctor visit. Tell me, doctor, am I really sick? He said I'm showing characteristics of being a snobby bitch. Yeah, I'm a pop.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this two braided ponytail hairstyle. This hairstyle is kind of like one of those hairstyles we used to wear when we were little girls, but it is with braiding hair, so it's extended, so it's a little bit older, I guess. So before I get started with this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So I'm going to be doing this style on week-old hair, and before I do anything, I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair with water and detangle it with a wide tooth comb. I want to detangle my hair just so I can avoid any bumps when I'm smoothing the hair into two ponytails. So after I do that, I'm going to take Shine and Jam and I'm going to split my hair into two sections, and I want to make sure that the part is really straight, because the part in this hairstyle kind of makes a big difference. If you have a crooked part, then the whole hairstyle is going to look completely terrible. So after dividing my hair into two sections, I'm going to moisturize my hair with this leave-in conditioner that I have. And after that, I'm going to be using the Wetline Xtreme gel to slick my ponytails into place. If your hair doesn't do well with gel, then you can use whatever alternative that you have. But my hair does well with this gel, so I'm using this one. I'm also going to be using Pump It Up spritz to secure my ponytail and smooth it out a bit more than it would be if I just used gel by itself, since Pump It Up does tend to get solid after a while brushing it in. I wanted to use the spritz so that my ponytails will look very sleek. This is one of those styles where the sleekness of the ponytail doesn't really matter because it counts as a natural looking style. So if you can't get it completely straight or completely laid down, don't worry about that because it's not really a big deal. So I used rubber bands for this hairstyle simply because my hair kept breaking all the hairbows I was using. If you want to use hairbows, go ahead and do that. But I used rubber bands and I made sure that I made these ponytails very tight. So once you have made your ponytails, you want to go ahead and start twisting and making this into a little bun. So I have a lot of hair, so I had to really try to twist it tightly and then wrap it around tightly. You want the bun to be as small as possible because the smaller your bun is, the easier it is for you to get the hair over the bun and the more natural that the hairstyle will look. So after wrapping the hair around itself, you want to take a rubber band and you want to secure the bun. You want to make sure that the bun is not moving and it's not loose, because if it's loose, it will definitely ruin the hairstyle in the long run. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. I like to do my edges after I create the ponytail, simply because I don't like doing it before because they always get messed up. So I'm going to be using the E-Bend 24-hour edge control to do my edges. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges with a scarf. Next, you're going to need two bundles of braiding hair. This is my favorite braiding hair simply because it looks very soft. So you want to take the rubber band that's already on the hair and you want to wrap it around the bun that you made very securely, very tightly. And once you get done securing the hair onto the bun, you want to begin braiding. Now, when you braid this, you want to braid it very loosely to begin because you do not want it to be so tight that you cannot wrap it around the bun. So you want to start loosely braiding this all the way until the end. You can secure the end with a rubber band if you want. Once you're done braiding, you want to loosen the braid up even more. So you want to take your fingers and kind of pull the braid apart and separate it a little bit. So once you got it completely separated and it looks bigger and fluffier, you want to flip the braid on top of the bun, and you want to put the bun inside of the braid. So once you get it fully inside of the braid, you want to take some bobby pins and you have to just pin it wherever you feel it needs to be pinned at. There's no right amount of bobby pins to use. Once you've secured it with the bobby pins, you want to go through and you want to loosen the braid up a little bit more. I chose to loosen it up as much as I did because I wanted them to look full, I wanted them to look big, I wanted them to look really nice. So in this next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it all over again on the other side. So basically you want to secure the hair around the ponytail, braid the ponytail very loosely, and once you are done braiding the ponytail loosely, you want to flip it and secure it with the bobby pins. So once I finished this style, I went ahead and I added some clackabows, bubbles, whatever people call them. I call them clackabows. But I went ahead and added them. I feel like it really completed the style and made it look a lot better than it would if I didn't have them.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video.